Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing wonderful today. I'm the Portfolio Panda, and my job is to try and create transparency in the financial world. Now more than ever, there is a growing trend among investors to choose more ethical investments. This is due to several reasons. Corporate governance. The days of walking into a smoke-filled office and giving the secretary a pat on the butt are well and truly over, but from some of the scandals you hear about, not all companies have received the memo. Some people are concerned with how companies are run and whether they are transparent and accountable. Environmental concerns. I am not here to discuss climate change and its legitimacy, so before you start typing your opinion on the matter, be it pro or against, my only interest is its effect on investing. Climate change and environmental degradation are major concerns for many people, and they want to invest in companies that are working to address these issues. This has led to a rise in investments in renewable energy, clean technology, and sustainable agriculture. Social responsibility. Many people want to invest in companies that are socially responsible and that align with their personal values. They want to support companies that they feel are making a positive impact on society, and avoid those that are harming people or the planet. Which brings me to my next point. We are all different. We all have different sets of values and beliefs, which makes the topic of ethical investing a minefield which can be overwhelming. There are ethical and sustainable funds on the market, however it's important to distinguish between the meaning behind ethical and sustainable. Ethical funds typically screen out companies involved in activities deemed unethical, such as tobacco, weapons, or gambling. Sustainable funds focus on companies that are making positive contributions to society and the environment, while also looking towards long-term future growth. But what does it mean? I have had some truly horrible sustainable funds land on my desk. There is a phrase greenwashing, which basically means making false or misleading claims about the environmental benefits of a product, service, or organization. A company could do whatever they want and then pay a carbon offset, and suddenly they are sustainable, so it's important to look further into the data before making a decision. A perfect example of this is Alphinity Sustainable Share Fund, one of the biggest holdings, with 2.4% of the entire fund being held in BHP, which is an Australian mining, metals and petroleum company, currently the largest mining company in the world. In future videos, I want to crack open some of these funds and have a deep dive into what it is they are actually holding to help you find out more. They are often very well hidden in their websites, with a big picture on the front page of a leaf and happy children with Invest Now plastered all over it, then needing to go to some back hidden page to find the actual data. If you want me to do a full-length video on how ethical and sustainable funds provide their ESG scores and have a look at a few options, then let me know. This video is just meant to be a quick rundown on the topic. If investing in ethical and sustainable options is the way you want to do things, then make sure you completely understand what the fund is and what they choose to include or exclude, not just the fluffy kittens they post on the homepage to make you feel good. As usual, let me know any questions in the comments below, and make sure to share this with your least financially savvy friend, then tell me if I did okay in explaining the topic. Your most valuable asset is your time. Thank you for sharing yours with me. Until next time.